All right. Here are more workers. They've been sitting there for 3 hours. This is at the Elmendorf Park. They come, they sit, they walk around. And in that truck, there's 5 more people in there. See, all these workers, they have to be fired. They know they're stealing money from the company, from the city. My God, having a city job is a good job. But dummies. Wasted. They're long-time thieves. Right now it is 11 a.m. October the 2nd. And there they are. There's 2 in the front. There's the license plate. And there they go. License plate. Oh, I'm not wearing my glasses. But they've been sitting there 3 hours. And one of them just caught wind that I was videotaping. This one hasn't been caught on. He's drinking beer too. How about them apples? It's because they've been long time thieves. Nobody's keeping an eye on them. So, why not take the ride, right? They take all their time doing whatever they want to do. Nobody's got them on time. So pretty much, if they want to work, they can work. If not, they don't have to. How shameful.